Okay, in this video, we are still looking at dividing monomials. I'm just going to do another video with just some more examples to practice. So again, St. James heading at the top, and then you want to write dividing monomials and underline it in red, and then chapter 10, section 6, again, underline in red, and then part 2. So if you have no idea how to divide monomials, you probably are looking for part 1, and you're in the wrong video. So here are some more examples. We're going to divide these monomials and then leave them expressed using exponents. So leave them in their exponential form. Okay, so let's just try to one or two just to get us nice ones that'll get us going. That'll be nice and easy. So 7 to the 6th power divided by 7 to the 1st power. Again, you just do 7 to the 6th minus 1. And we're going to get 7 to the 5th power. Okay, you're just subtracting your exponents, you're subtracting your exponents, you're subtracting your exponents. Okay, let's try another one. 2 to the 9th power divided by 2 to the 13th power. So you're doing 2, 9 minus 13 gives us what? 2 to the negative 4th power. There are some people who don't agree with having negative exponents like that. Okay, some professors you'll see in high school that do not like negative exponents. So I'm going to let you know, exponents, I spelled exponents wrong by trying to type and write at the same time. Okay, negative exponents. So some professors will say you have to make them happy, and happy exponents are when they're in the denominator. So you would have to put this exponent in the denominators, 2 to the 4th in the denominator like that. I will take it either way because in high school they can correct you and fix you, but I don't want you to think you've never heard it. So when it's just a negative exponent just like that all by itself, very often high school teachers will say you have to put the exponent in the denominator. I do not care, we're just beginning, so you can leave it as a negative exponent, but I just wanted to make you aware. Okay, all right, so we have 9c to the 7th power over 3c to the 2nd power. Okay, again, we divide 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then we have c to the 7th minus 2, so we have 3c to the 5th power. So we're just doing a few to just get us comfortable. Okay, here we go. We have z over z squared. So you're going to have z, and then, that's a 1 minus 2 gives us z to the negative 1 power. Again, that's a negative exponent. I'll take it this way, but there'll be some teachers that will say you have to put it like this, 1 over z, really to the first, making it positive 1, or you just don't write the little positive 1, but it'd be 1 over z. But I will take either. Does not bother me. But it might bother some other teachers you're going to be learning from, so just be aware. All right, 24k to the 9th over 6k to the 6th. Okay, so first we divide those numbers. 24 divided by 6, those coefficients, the numbers in front. 24 divided by 6 is 4, so we have 4k, and then we have 9 minus 6. So 4k, what is 9 minus 6? That's 3. So 4k to the 3rd, 4k cubed. Okay, let's practice just a few extra fun ones. So what is 42w to the negative 6 over 7w to the negative 2? Okay, so first we divide 42 divided by 7. Well, 42 divided by 7 is 6, so 6w. Well, it's a negative 6 minus a negative 2. Remember, we have to be very careful of the negative in the bottom. So negative 6 minus a negative, so it's 6w minus a negative becomes plus. We clean up the messiness, so negative 6 plus 2, it's 6w to the negative 4th. And again, some professors might make you do 1 over 6w to the 4th. Just depends on your teacher, so I just make you aware of that, just to make you aware. And actually, the 6, if I want to be very clear, the 6 would stay in the numerator, so it would be 6 over w to the 4th. technically. Okay. Um, Again, I'm quite happy if you get 6w to the negative 4. So do not panic if 6 being in the numerator bothers you. Let your high school teacher help you to figure that out. Okay. Um, one last one that I think is fun. Okay, we're going to try this. It's 1/5, 1 over 5 squared times 1/5 to the negative 6, all divided by 1/5. That whole thing is squared. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is multiply your exponents. You need to multiply the 1/5 and the 1/5. So you're adding your exponents. So you're going to do 1/5, and you're going to do 2 plus a negative 6 first. And then you have the 1/5 squared underneath here. Okay, so then we get 1/5. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4 over 1/5 squared. So we're going to subtract our negative. Okay, and we get, I'm running out of room, 1/5 negative 4 minus 2, right, because we're subtracting. Just make my window bigger. So I have 1/5, I'm going to repeat what I had there, is negative 4 minus 2, because I'm just subtracting the exponents, and I get 1/5 to the negative 6. Okay? And if you really want to make your head hurt, how would you put all that in the denominator? I'll be happy to give you a sticker if you can tell me how to put 1/5 in the denominator and get an answer that you would get in high school. I will give you a sticker. And if you're muting me and you don't hear any of these directions, you have no idea what I'm talking about. It'll be just for those who actually follow instructions and don't mute my videos. All right, problem for next class. So those who aren't muting the video, don't tell them about the sticker. Don't do it. Don't tell them. Okay, so problem for next class. Here we go. 35p to the first over 5p to the negative 4. After that fraction problem, that seems like a breeze. Okay, I will see you next class.